Welcome back to Learn English Easily. Today we'll practice 10 important topics for daily English conversations Part 2. Time and daily activities.
What time is it now?
It's 8 a.m.
What time is it now?
It's 9:30.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, at 6 a.m.
Do you wake up early?
No, at 9 a.m.
Do you sleep late?
Yes, at midnight.
Do you sleep late?
No, at 10 p.m.
Do you take a nap?
Yes, after lunch.
Do you take a nap?
No, never.
Do you check the time often?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you check the time often?
No, only sometimes.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, every day.
Do you wear a watch?
No, I use my phone.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I make a list.
Do you plan your day?
No, I just go with the flow.
Do you work in the morning or evening?
In the morning.
Do you work in the morning or evening?
In the evening.
Do you like busy days?
Yes, I like being active.
Do you like busy days?
No, I like relaxing.
Do you take breaks during the day?
Yes, every hour.
Do you take breaks during the day?
No, I work non-stop.
Weather and seasons.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Is it hot today?
No, it's cool.
Is it raining now?
Yes, it's raining a lot.
Is it raining now?
No, the sky is clear.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, they are nice.
Do you like sunny days?
No, I prefer cold weather.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love snow.
Do you like winter?
No, it's too cold.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like the sun.
Do you like summer?
No, it's too hot.
Is it windy today?
Yes, very windy.
Is it windy today?
No, not at all.
Do you like rain?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you like rain?
No, I hate getting wet.
What season do you like?
I like spring.
What season do you like?
I prefer autumn.
Is the weather good today?
Yes, it's perfect.
Is the weather good today?
No, it's bad.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, every morning.
Do you check the weather forecast?
No, never.
Feelings and emotions.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Are you happy today?
No, I'm sad.
Are you tired?
Yes, I need rest.
Are you tired?
No, I'm fine.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want food.
Are you hungry?
No, I just ate.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need water.
Are you thirsty?
No, I'm okay.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Are you excited?
No, not really.
Are you nervous?
Yes, a little.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm confident.
Are you angry?
Yes, a bit.
Are you angry?
No, I'm calm.
Are you bored?
Yes, so bored.
Are you bored?
No, I'm busy.
Are you scared?
Yes, very scared.
Are you scared?
No, I'm okay.
Are you relaxed?
Yes, I feel good.
Are you relaxed?
No, I'm stressed.
School and learning.
Do you go to school?
Yes, every day.
Do you go to school?
No, I finished school.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
What's your favorite subject?
Math is my favorite.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love books.
Do you like reading?
No, I like movies.
Do you study every day?
Yes, for 2 hours.
Do you study every day?
No, only before exams.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, a lot of homework.
Do you have homework today?
No, no homework today.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very much.
Do you like your teacher?
No, not really.
Do you like exams?
Yes, they test my knowledge.
Do you like exams?
No, I hate exams.
Do you go to school by bus?
Yes, every day.
Do you go to school by bus?
No, I walk to school.
Do you have a best friend at school?
Yes, his name is Tom.
Do you have a best friend at school?
Yes, her name is Emma.
Do you like studying at night?
Yes, it's quiet at night.
Do you like studying at night?
No, I prefer mornings.
Entertainment and media.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, every night.
Do you watch TV?
No, I watch online videos.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like movies?
No, I prefer books.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Titanic.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite is Avatar.
Do you like music?
Yes, all kinds.
Do you like music?
No, not much.
Do you listen to the radio?
Yes, every morning.
Do you listen to the radio?
No, I use my phone.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, they're fun.
Do you like cartoons?
No, I watch dramas.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, every day.
Do you play games on your phone?
No, I don't like games.
Do you read magazines?
Yes, fashion magazines.
Do you read magazines?
No, only news online.
Do you like YouTube?
Yes, I watch videos there.
Do you like YouTube?
No, I don't use it much.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, with friends.
Do you like going to the cinema?
No, I watch at home.
Food and eating habits.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, always.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
No, I skip it.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I love apples.
Do you like fruits?
No, I don't eat fruits.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you like vegetables?
No, I don't like them.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every morning.
Do you drink milk?
No, I don't like milk.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, once a week.
Do you eat fast food?
No, I eat home food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't cook.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, with lunch.
Do you eat rice every day?
No, I eat bread.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Do you like sweets?
No, I don't like sugar.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, orange juice.
Do you drink juice?
No, I drink water.
Shopping and clothes.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
Do you like shopping?
No, I don't like it.
Do you buy clothes often?
Yes, every month.
Do you buy clothes often?
No, only once a year.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's easy.
Do you like online shopping?
No, I like stores.
Do you wear jeans?
Yes, every day.
Do you wear jeans?
No, I prefer dresses.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, I love sneakers.
Do you like shoes?
No, I have only one pair.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, for reading.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I don't need them.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, a digital one.
Do you have a watch?
No, I use my phone.
Do you like hats?
Yes, in summer.
Do you like hats?
No, I don't wear them.
Do you like jackets?
Yes, in winter.
Do you like jackets?
No, I don't like heavy clothes.
Do you buy expensive clothes?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you buy expensive clothes?
No, I like cheap clothes.
Dreams and goals.
Do you have a big dream?
Yes, to travel the world.
Do you have a big dream?
No, I live day by day.
Do you want to be famous?
Yes, it's my dream.
Do you want to be famous?
No, I like a simple life.
Do you want to study abroad?
Yes, in Canada.
Do you want to study abroad?
No, I'll study here.
Do you want to learn a new skill?
Yes, playing the guitar.
Do you want to learn a new skill?
No, I'm too busy.
Do you set goals for yourself?
Yes, every year.
Do you set goals for yourself?
No, I don't plan much.
Do you want to buy your own house?
Yes, in the future.
Do you want to buy your own house?
No, I prefer renting.
Do you want to open a business?
Yes, an online shop.
Do you want to open a business?
No, I want a steady job.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, who doesn't?
Do you want to be rich?
No, just enough is fine.
Do you want to write a book?
Yes, one day.
Do you want to write a book?
No, I'm not interested.
Do you want to work abroad?
Yes, in the USA.
Do you want to work abroad?
No, I'll stay here.
Culture and traditions.
Do you like traditional food?
Yes, it's delicious.
Do you like traditional food?
No, I prefer fast food.
Do you celebrate New Year?
Yes, with my family.
Do you celebrate New Year?
No, not really.
Do you wear traditional clothes?
Yes, on special days.
Do you wear traditional clothes?
No, I wear modern clothes.
Do you enjoy cultural festivals?
Yes, they're fun.
Do you enjoy cultural festivals?
No, I don't go often.
Do you like learning about other cultures?
Yes, very much.
Do you like learning about other cultures?
No, it's boring.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, every year.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
No, I don't celebrate.
Do you like folk music?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Do you like folk music?
No, I prefer pop.
Do you enjoy national holidays?
Yes, I love them.
Do you enjoy national holidays?
No, they're just days off.
Do you follow family traditions?
Yes, always.
Do you follow family traditions?
No, not really.
Do you like traditional dances?
Yes, they're exciting.
Do you like traditional dances?
No, I don't dance.
Money and saving.
Do you save money?
Yes, every month.
Do you save money?
No, I spend it all.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, a lot.
Do you like shopping?
No, only when needed.
Do you have a bank account?
Yes, of course.
Do you have a bank account?
No, not yet.
Do you use a credit card?
Yes, often.
Do you use a credit card?
No, I pay cash.
Do you spend money on clothes?
Yes, I love fashion.
Do you spend money on clothes?
No, very little.
Do you like to buy expensive things?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like to buy expensive things?
No, I buy simple things.
Do you give money to charity?
Yes, when I can.
Do you give money to charity?
No, not often.
Do you plan your budget?
Yes, every month.
Do you plan your budget?
No, I don't plan.
Do you lend money to friends?
Yes, if they need.
Do you lend money to friends?
No, I don't.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, very rich.
Do you want to be rich?
No, just comfortable.
You've just practiced 10 more topics for daily English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn English easily, and check out part 1 if you missed it. See you in the next video.